the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include power front seats, leather upholstery, a tonneau cover, reverse sensing system, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, a roof rack, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.